Hi friends, this is Denario Research and welcome to my new video. Today I'd love to introduce you my new service called Denario Signals, which provides Bitmex trading signals every day in Telegram channel. In this quick video I'll explain how it works, how to use this service, and why I am doing this. First of all, in order to use Denario Signals, you need to follow my Telegram channel. It's completely free and link is provided in the description to this video. Every day you will receive Bitcoin and Ethereum perpetual swap signals. Today Bitmex has added XRP, so shortly you will get XRP perpetual swap signal as well. Every signal provides you the following information. Of course, pair name, position type, which is predicted by Markov model. It might be long or short. Entry price, it is current market price. Stop loss price, which is entry price minus 1.5 ATRs. And 3 take profit price. Entry price plus ATR, 2 ATRs, and 3 ATRs. You may want to use only one take profit price or all three of them. And of course, percentage of equity, this is amount of money you need to allocate to this position. So how to use these signals? Say you have just begun following this channel and received Bitcoin long signal. You take this percentage and multiply by your equity value on Bitmex, and you get a position size. And then you place a market buy order. So probably price would be the same as here. Once order is executed, then you place a stop loss order at this price and as many as you want take profit orders. Actually, it's up to you how to distribute your position size across all these take profit points. Okay, you have opened XBT USD long position, and the next day you get similar signal which says XBT USD position type long, and it may contain different numbers here. This is continuation signal, which means that BTC price may continue its uptrend and there is no reason to close your position. But you may want to update your stop loss price and take profit prices if you think they are better than current, but it's up to you. What if you have opened a long position and the next day you get position type short? Consider this as exit signal. So you need to close your position because bot considers that BTC price will go down. So you close your long position, but you do not open a short position and you need to wait till the next day when you receive a new signal. Now you know how to use these signals, but you might have a question. If this system is doing well, why am I sharing it? And that is a fair question and I'll give you a fair answer. Firstly, I publish these signals right after my bot places orders. And secondly, I consider that Bitmex has sufficient liquidity for many traders, and these signals can be beneficial for all of us. In the future, I plan to monetize this channel. Currently, this channel is public and all signals are free for all, due to several reasons. The first one, I want to promote my Telegram channel and gain more followers. And the second one, prediction model is quite new and immature. I constantly add some features, tune parameters and so on, but still there is a room for improvements. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want more videos, and leave your questions in the comment section below. Bye!